Welcome back to Olivia Rose Floral Designs, and today we are going to start the season off with this beautiful glass cube red rose arrangement. And with these fresh red roses I've added some silver glittery decoration just for the festive spirit. So let's show you how to make this. Okay, so now we have our glass cube and I've already pre-soaked my oasis. So we're just going to pop it in like so and get rid of these little excess pieces. So I pre-soaked my oasis for about 10 minutes, but before I soaked it I chopped it to size. So first of all we're going to get some roses, and these roses are absolutely stunning. These ones are called Explorer, and they're absolutely beautiful. They've opened up lovely. So you can just see here how velvety and how deep red they are. So I'm just going to pick my first one, and what I like to do is remove all these outer guard petals, and these don't damage the rose at all. It just tidies it up and gets rid of some of those off colour petals that they have. And we're going to remove all the leaves from the roses. So what we're going to do is start by going around the edge, and we need to cut these quite short, okay? So there we go. I've probably cut them shorter than the actual width of the oasis, which is fine. And we're just going to start by popping our first one in like that on the corner. Okay, then we're going to go for our second one. Again, remove these outer guard petals like so. Then we're going to pop this one in the middle. So we start at the corner of the cube, and then we have one in the middle of the cube like so. I'm just going to go around the whole of the outside of my cube. Okay, so you can now see we've gone around the whole of the outside of the bottom of the oasis. So we're now going to start building up towards the middle of the oasis with the rest of the roses. So again, you need to cut them nice and short, take off those outer guard petals, and then pop the next one in. So I don't know if you can see here, I'll just take this one out a bit. That's it. So you can pop the next one in between the two roses. So I'll show you the next one. Okay, so remove these. And you see where the two roses are here? I'm just going to pop the stem in between the roses, but on top of the oasis, like so. And I'm going to continue to do so around the others as well. Okay, so the next one will be over here. Like so. Going to move this one over. And these roses come in different sizes, so they're not all the same once they open up. So some of them are quite large, so you may have to just remodel and maneuver some of them around as you add them in. just to make sure they look balanced. I'm going to get 2 more in here, I believe. Like there. And then I think this one here, I love this one. I'm just going to squeeze her in there so you can see. It's hard to try and do it back to front, so I'm just going to lean over. Okay, so now you have the perfect ball-shaped display starting to take place. So you just need that final piece in the middle. So what I've done is I've kept a really beautiful one for the end. So I'm just going to remove some of these petals. And I'll just show you what a perfect rose that is. Perfect shape. And you can just see how beautiful those petals are and the way they layer over each other from the middle outwards. Okay, and then I'm just going to pop her on top, so you can be very careful here you don't damage her or snap her as you're pushing her in. And there you have a perfect ball of roses. So now we are going to jazz them up a little bit, because it is Christmas and it is the festive holidays, and we're going to add some silver leaf to these. So I've already bought these pre-wired. They're just leaf deco, artificial, covered in silver glitter. So first of all, you need to make sure you have enough. So I've got 6 here. So you just need to think about where you're going to put them before you start adding them in, because what you don't want to do is run out and then you have to start pulling them in and out. So we've got 6. So I think I'm just going to dot a couple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to have 4 around the edge and then 2 on top. So just part the flowers with your fingers and just put them in. So you can have them as deep in as you want to. You can have them nestled discreetly among the roses, or you could have them sticking out quite far on top. So it's really up to you. So I think I prefer this one. It's pushed in a little bit more. Then once it's in, you can kind of spread them out a little bit. So again, I'm going to go down here. I have to just feel around to make sure you're not stabbing the stems of the roses. This one is a bit bendy. That's it. Okay, I'm going to spread them out as well. Spread this one out. So I'm going for my 4th one now around the bottom. And that just looks beautiful, just peeping through the roses, like so. So I've now got my 2 top ones. And what I will say about these is they molt, so the glitter comes off quite nicely. So what I'm going to do is just sprinkle some glitter on top. And it doesn't take the glitter off. You wouldn't even know that I've taken some of that off. And then I'm going to put one each side of my main rose on top. Like so. And again, a bit more glitter or fairy dust. And then pop this one on top as well. And there you have your beautiful glass cube with fresh red roses and some silver decor. Thank you for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this a go. It's very, very simple, very effective, and will last up to 2 weeks if you keep the Oasis watered. So please use any decor of your choice, any colours, but just bear in mind I am covered in glitter by using this decoration. And yeah, hope you enjoy. So please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, because I wouldn't want you missing any of my future content. Take care, thank you, bye.